Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the second one of this video because I just took a photo of myself and spoke to it for 15 minutes. Anyway, we've bought another Discovery, TD5, it's 2001 ES spec leather, cream leather in it, so we'll just show you around it and you can see what we've bought and what problems we've bought this time. Here it is. It's a very nice looking car, good colour. General Grabber 80 tyres on there, nearly new. It's got wheels from a Range Rover L322, 18 inch. It's got rusty steps, as you can see. But we was just saying that it is only the edge of the step that's rusty. The rest of them are good. So I'm thinking about fixing these steps because it is nice to have them on. They look good. So maybe we can fix them. Maybe we can cut all this rot off the edge and weld a new piece along and then just tuck the step back over it. If we can do that, that would be perfect. It's got light guards. It's been standing a long time, so it's green, as you can see, just along there. It's got spotlights which are apparently wired into the high beam properly. They do look like they've been fitted properly. Some of the things we've had fitted before, like light bars and that, have been tech screwed on. Light guard that side, all matching tyres, wheels are in good nick. There's a nice set of wheels that Dad's been doing there. We've given this one a rock and the Watts link seems to be fine on it. You can see the amount of grime on there. Maybe we'll do a cleaning video for once. We'll do a snow foam video. Inside, lovely interior, really nice. You can see not much wear at all on the seats. A bit on the handbrake, gaiter as normal. ES model, so electric seats. Tape player, but it's got a CD player under the seat. Electric mirrors. These normally fold. Do these fold? Let's see. Oh no. Don't look like the fold works on the mirrors. You might have to have the key to fold the mirrors on this. Can't remember. Steering wheel controls. AC, we don't know how cold it is. This is an auto. It's got the wood trim, which is in very good nick. Very good nick. We're super happy with this. And the bonus is it's done 112,000 miles. It's got cruise control. It's got... oh, it hasn't got a heated front windscreen, this one, which ain't no bad thing. You can see all the muck along there, look. In the back, it's hardly been sat in. I mean, look at that. There's been nobody in there, it looks like. Somebody's had the mat over it. That does man not look. You can see where the mat was there. It puts a mark on nothing there. So somebody's had the rubber mat over it, which we would have liked. Electric windows in the back. We've checked all the windows. All the windows work. It's had a dog in it, as you can see from these that are hanging around, and you'll see from the boot. Oh, that's novel. Look, when you close the back door, this opens. Let's see if that works again. Magic. Hey. Yeah, that's magic. Spare wheel looks good. It's in good condition. It's got the Series 2 on it because it's non-facelift, which means it's got the glass headlights, which are nice. Needs one of them. We've got light guards down there and light guards up there. We've got 7 seats. We've got a rusty step, which is standard, so I
think it's beyond rusty.
Yeah.
It's non-existent.
We've got just a rubber thing with a metal thing that's no longer metal. It don't work. This door's going to slam me in the head. Yeah, so that...
piston still works.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Let's cut the end off it and weld another new step on. In the back there has been a bow, as we can see from that ball of hair there. But no rust, no rust, and no rust. That means it's been dry inside. The headliner has got a bit of a droop on it, but if you look, this is the model with the air conditioning in the rear. You can see the controls there for the air conditioning, and that blows out of these ones and them ones up there, so that's nice. No parcel shelf, bit of a bummer, but we've got these for people using headphones that have got no access to a phone, which is nobody. Yeah, but it looks really nice. You can see the dog hairs on there, so yeah. We'll do a cleaning video on this and we'll see how clean we can get it. But I think the boot floor is solid. I'm sure we can all guess what the main problem with this car is. and why it failed its MOT, which is the main problem with every one of these, and that's underneath. So underneath this car is the remnants of a boat that's been underwater for 10 years.
Series 2.
Yeah. So we'll give you a quick look and then we'll do a proper video of underneath this. But you can see there that the chassis is pretty rusty. It's the rear quarter, the rest of it at the front. I mean, surprisingly, it's still got its mudguard holders on there, supports. But yeah, needs a good scrape, the fuel tank out and a good weld. And then that should sort that out. So that's what we bought anyway. And we will be doing videos on this. Oh, a big scratch there. Look at that beauty. So we'll polish that out as well. But this will polish up lovely, I think. And it'll be a nice car. This one I got a broken bumper, which is nice. But there's word about these with the the Series 2, but the non-facelift being starting to become valuable and become collectors. Nice clear lights on this as well, fogs and all. So we'll check what works and what don't work. See you soon. Scratch that goodbye. I'm looking at the engine. The chap who sold it to us did say, I can't do that with one hand. Okay. He did say I can't do that with one hand. He said that the barrel was sticking, so he had a new barrel put in it. So it's got a key for the drive and 2 keys for the door. He did say he was going to put the barrel in now. I doubt he has. Let's see what this is. So, in 2019, he had oil, air and fuel filter at 99,000 miles. It's only done 112, so it hasn't done a lot of miles between that. Engine bay looks relatively clean. Big problem is this is empty because it's got a water leak, which he said was a suspected water pump problem, but we don't know. And it's got done a little whittle on you right there.
When we have a look underneath it, when we lift it up, we can have a look.
Yeah. Well, you should probably see it from the front if it's the water pump. But yeah, it looks solid, and I think as well on this one. Let's give you a bit of light down there. Oh! I've put my finger through the wing. In this corner. We went round these.
You said you did.
Oh, there's a hole in that one now. So it looks like that has been painted over with underseal. Look, it's like rubbery. Oh yeah, it's underseal type stuff to cover it up, to cover the rust up. But now I've put my finger through it. It ain't crazy bad though, Dad.
It's better to know.
It ain't crazy. Oh, it sounds more crazy.
It's getting crazier by the minute.
Getting crazier. So, a little bit of welding on the arches, I think.
Spider under there.
Yeah. Look down there, Dad.
Oh.
Poked a hole in it.
Metal worm.
We did say that there's where was it? Yeah, not that side, but the other side in that wheel arch has gone as well. We might have only looked at one side on the arches, but yeah, got to be holding it now. Oh yeah, it's had a mouse down there.
Eating its way through.
You take touching on the electrics because everything still works, but see if you can push your fingers through that side there. Solid.
It's very
Yeah, it's been caked in that. Look, same as that down there.
Yeah, it's caked in something.
Oh. Yeah.
It feels like it's had a patch welded on it.
Feels like. What's this? Oh, yeah. Yeah. This I had a patch, but somebody's tried to cover it up, I think. Is there a hole there? There's another little one there. It might have had a patch, you know. No, it had a patch. It's just a hole. So, yeah. That's just an hole anyway. So there's what we bought. And we're going to do more videos on this. And you'll see a lot with what's going on. We'll do a water pump for definite, which I don't think we've done on the channel before. I did say that it got new brake lines there and all like that. It's had them done to copper at some point, so that's something we are going to do. It don't look like it's been messed with much, to be honest. So this is going to be not an unmolested, untouched by Philip Schofield Discovery 2.
Well,
It's a Discovery 2, you clown.
is it? It's a Discovery 1, isn't it?
like this, but not one of these.
Series 2.
Okay then, signing off. Say the words.
Subscribe.